Hello everybody, happy new year. I would like to apologize for not starting this video with an empty bowl, and that's because I didn't initially plan to film this video. However, once we started, I thought, oh wait, this would actually be useful to some people. Let me film this and post it. You must have noticed that I started this video with a red colored sachet. That's the yeast that was used for this recipe. So in case you would like to use that same one, all you need to do is take a screenshot of it and take it to the market. Now here's everything that was used for this recipe. For the all-purpose flour, 6 cups was used. For the yeast, you remember I showed you a sachet, 1.5 of the content of that sachet was used. So 1 sachet and half of the other sachet was used. Then for sugar, about 1 cup of sugar was used. Don't know everything was used, but 1 cup was bought and more than half of it was used for this recipe. Then salt, for salt, about 1 teaspoon is good to go. However, please note that you can adjust to taste. So if you feel like you would like it to be sweeter, you can add more sugar. Or if you feel like, oh, it needs a little bit more salt, you can add more salt to yours. Yes. So for process, all you have to do is get a bowl you'd be mixing your ingredient into. Then into the bowl, first add your all-purpose flour like I did, after which the yeast is added. After which you add your sugar, after which you add your salt. Since they are all dry ingredients, it doesn't actually matter in what order they are added to the bowl or to the mix. Just make sure all your dry ingredients are added to the mix first. Once all your dry ingredients are in, next you have to stir everything to combine before you add in the wet ingredient, which is actually water, and in this case peppers. So the water you'll be using for this recipe is lukewarm water, not hot and not cold. Lukewarm. I know you might be wondering, why lukewarm water, why not cold water or normal room temperature water? That's because lukewarm water helps to properly activate the yeast, and we want our puff dough to rise well, right? So don't skip this process. Make sure you're using lukewarm water and not cold water. And you can see here that you kept adding water till the desired consistency was achieved. Some people like their mix to be quite thick. However, it's best, to achieve a consistency that is not too thick. So find out what resonates with you. One thing you shouldn't make it though, don't make it runny. You should have this semi-thick, stretchy consistency like seen in this video. Once you've achieved this, you're good to go. Before we continue, I'd like to know how your year is going. So yeah, tell me in the comment section, how is your year going? Has there been any change? What are you currently working towards? What are you currently working on? Also, I'd like to know where you're watching this video from. For me, I am currently in Nigeria. So yeah, put it in the comment section where you're watching this video from. I'd like to connect with you. So back to our recipe. Once desired consistency has been achieved, the next step is to allow the dough rise. So you need to cover and let it do its work. You could use a cover like mine, or you could use a plastic wrap or a foil, whichever you have close to you is fine. We left this to do its work for about 30 minutes, after which we came back to it, and for us this was good to go, so we went into frying. For a snack like this, it's best to be deep fried, and that's what we're currently doing. You can use your hands like we are doing in this video, or you can use a spoon. However, for best results, I'd recommend that you use your hands. Would you like me to let you in on one of my aspirations for the year 2026? Well, let's get to it, shall we? So I'll be talking about places I will be going to in the year 2026. At the top of the list is a place called Out of My Comfort Zone. Yes, you heard right. This year, it's a year to tap into all of the greatness that God has put into us, into me. Second on the list is a place called Bite More Than I Can Chew. Yes, who said that's all of the capacity that is inside you? Who said you can't stretch? I mean, with God, you can do all things. So bite it, and with God help, you will definitely chew it successfully. Can we take a moment to appreciate the beauty that this purple is unfolding into? I mean, look at that golden brown skin. Third on our list is a place called Above and Beyond. Yes, you heard right. He has set my foot in high places. Who am I to play small? So, yes, I'll be going above and beyond this year. And the last, but definitely not the least, of places I'll be going to in 2026 is a place called the Extra Mile. Yes, the Extra Mile. For the book of Isaiah, chapter 54, verse 2 to 3 says, enlarge the place of your tents and let them stretch out the curtains of your dwellings. Do not spare. Lengthen your cords and strengthen your stakes. For you shall expand to the right and to the left, and your descendants will inherit the nations and make the desolate cities inhabited. God has given instructions. Who am I not to obey? For He has made provisions for everything I would need in this race, on this journey. So, yes, I'll be going the extra mile to do, to receive, and to be. And for now, that's all on the places I'll be going to in the year 2026. As time goes on and as I add to the list, I will definitely keep you updated. How about you? Can you share what places would you be going to in the year 2026? Tell me all about it. I would love to hear them. Come on, take a moment, look at this beauty in front of us. What if I told you it tasted even better? Well, you can only tell if you also get to work and make yours. So that will be all for this video. Stay well, stay good, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.